Hi, Robert. This is John Everett with Internet Marketing Services. This is the video I told you I would send you about why you are not on the first page of Google and getting more phone calls compared to your competitors. What I did is I typed in a keyword that would be used for someone searching for a private investigator in Sarasota. I typed in private investigator Sarasota, and you did not show up on the first page of Google. Now, there's two ways to get, and if you don't show up on the first page of Google, you're not going to get phone calls. So there's two ways to get on the first page of Google. One is by just paying for Google AdWords. For example, if you see that word ad there, that means it's a Google, and you click on that. You send money, every time someone clicks on that, you send money to Google. And so the higher you bid your keywords out, the higher you'll show up. So in other words, if you outbid the Fortune investigators, you would be in front of them. That is the quickest and fastest way to be on the first page of Google, but it's also the most expensive way. The other way is through organic backlink building. If you notice this Sarasota discrete investigations, they don't have that word ad. That means you can click on them as many times as you want and Google doesn't get any money for it. That's called an organic listing. So how did Sarasota discrete investigations get on the first page and you didn't? It's very simple. They have more backlinks than you have. What do I mean by a backlink? A backlink is where your website address and content about your business is on another relevant quality website that backlinks to your website. If you remember, I told you that the more quality backlinks you have, the higher up you're on Google. Well, this is a backlink counting software, Neil Patel's backlink counter. And if you notice, you have 0 backlinks. Now, if you look at the other guy, the discrete SarasotaDiscrete.com, they have 13 backlinks. So they have more backlinks. So when Google has to decide who's going to be on the first page of Google, this guy just simply had more quality backlinks than you do. And that is our specialty. That's what we help people have high quality backlinks. This is an attorney website that we do, Maryland Wage Garnishment. And this is the list of backlinks. These are other websites where they are linked on. And so the more backlinks they have, the higher they're up on Google and the more phone calls you have. And just to show you what a backlink is, if you come here, this is the other website. This is coverlaw.com. Our guy, Maryland Garnishment's backlink is on their website and it has good quality content. If you owe taxes to the Internal Revenue Service and do not pay them, you get garnished. Well, these are quality content. Google likes that. When you have quality content on a different website than yours and it backlinks to your website, that is a backlink and the more of those you have, the higher you rank on Google. And so the more phone calls you get. It's really that simple. And so what we do is we recommend that you pick out 5 or 10 keywords. We sent you this keyword report. I'll send it again with this email. And what this means is if you type in private investigator Florida, 720 people type that in every month. And right now you're not showing up. Now you are showing up for private investigator. You're on position 25. That means you're on the 3rd page, 5th position. Again, if you're not on the first page of Google, you're not going to. So that's what we do. With the email, I'll send you a proposal on the pricing, and we can get started right away, moving you up and getting you more phone calls. If you have any comments or questions, you can contact me, either respond to me, my email, or call me. Have a great day, Robert. Bye.